Hello friends, in this video I will briefly summarize how to automatically charge the battery. Enjoy watching. The automatic switch on the DC12V battery charging control panel is generally used to control the power supply to the battery charger and manage the charging process. Ensures efficient and safe charging of the battery. Automatic switch monitors the voltage of the charged battery. When the battery voltage drops below a certain threshold indicating that the battery needs charging, the switch detects this and initiates the charging process. When the switch detects low battery voltage, it activates the battery charger's power supply. This allows the charger to begin supplying electrical current to the battery to recharge it. An automatic switch usually contains controls that regulate the charging process. This may involve adjusting the charging current, voltage, and other parameters to ensure that the battery is charged correctly according to its specifications. The switch constantly monitors the voltage of the battery to prevent overcharging. When the battery reaches full charge, the switch will disconnect the charger's power supply to prevent overcharging, which could damage the battery. What is alternating charging? In some cases, the automatic switch may switch to floating charge mode after the battery reaches full charge. In float charging, the charger provides a small, constant voltage to the battery to keep it fully charged without overcharging. This is common in applications where the battery must be kept at peak performance. In addition to overcharging prevention, the switch may also include a low voltage disconnect feature. This means that if the voltage of the battery drops to a dangerously low level, which could damage the battery, the switch will disconnect the power supply to protect the battery from deep discharge. What is auto charge? The most important feature of the automatic switch is that it works autonomously according to the charge state and voltage of the battery. It does not require manual intervention, making it suitable for applications where constant battery maintenance is required. In summary, the automatic switch in the DC12V battery charging control panel plays a crucial role in managing the charging process, protecting the battery from overcharging and deep discharge, and ensuring that the battery is always ready for use. It simplifies the charging process and helps extend the life of the battery. Thank you for watching. If you want to support our channel, you can follow. Goodbye.